Over time, any Mac runs out of free space. To check your storage, you should click on the Apple icon, select About this Mac, and go to the Storage tab in the open window. There you will see a diagram divided into sections such as Apps, Documents, Bin, and Others. The size of the partition depends on how much disk space this category occupies. Cleaning up disk space on Mac is crucial in order to maintain its speed and performance. In this video, we will share 5 easy steps on how to clean up your Mac. So, step 1. Empty trash automatically. The common issue that Mac users forget about is that moving files into the trash bin doesn't permanently remove them, so those files continue to clutter up your disk space. A convenient way to automate the removal of these files is using Empty Trash Automatically feature. To switch it on, first, click on the Apple icon in the upper left corner and select About this Mac. Then, go to the Storage tab and clean on the Manage button. Lastly, find the Empty Bin Automatically option and click to turn it on. Step 2. Remove installation files. Once you have installed an app, you don't need these files anymore. To quickly find and delete all your installation files, we recommend you using the Mac Cleaner Pro bundle. This software can be downloaded directly from Nektony.com website. Once you launch the software, you should go to Clean Up Mac tab, select Installation Files, and click to clean them up. Step 3. Uninstall unused applications. Over the years, you've likely littered your MacBook with applications you no longer use or need. To uninstall unneeded applications, quickly and safely launch App Cleaner and Uninstaller. The app will automatically scan all your programs. In the Application tab, select unneeded apps and click to remove them. Step 4. Manage large files and folders. Big and unnecessary files just clog up your memory and make your Mac run slower. To quickly find and remove the biggest files and folders, open Disk Space Analyzer. Once your storage is scanned, you will see a sunburst diagram that visually displays your disk space usage. Look for the bulkiest content, including hidden and system files, by using the diagram, or take a look at the list of the biggest files, find files that take up the most space of your drive, and remove them. Step 5. Remove unneeded duplicate files. When you download, create, or copy files, you may create duplicates, which occupy important space on your Mac. To remove duplicate files from your Mac, launch Duplicate File Finder. View your duplicate files, duplicate folders, and similar photos. Take unwanted copies and click the Remove button, then confirm the removal. There you go. These few steps will help you to clean up your Mac.